Hey everyone, it's Loz and Newfie. Yes, it's just Newfie. That is not the name of our channel. It is really Loz and Newfie, but it sounds like I say that all the time. Again, I'm really sorry about my hair that I'm standing here. I'm dressed really daggy, but guess what? Guess what? Today's video, I have to film it now because I'm too excited and I cannot wait anymore. So, thank you. We are now at 102 subscribers. So thank you so much for those people that have subscribed. Thumbs up. Please give it a like, subscribe, and comment on anything. Please let me know what you think about today's video. I will try to post this video tonight. I'm really excited. So let's get on with today's video. All right. Hey everyone. So, okay, I'm so much closer again. I apologize. I am not looking fabulous. Not that I ever am looking fabulous. But I received this. I've taken the plastic off. I've received this in the mail about an hour ago. Louis. Yes, I know, it's crazy. I'm excited. So this is a true unboxing with you. I'm going to open it and see which pieces I have been sent. So let's do it because I'm just so excited. And again, I'm sorry that you can see all these lights in my cabinets, can't you? Anyway, I don't even have my proper filming light on, so I do apologise. All right, stop talking. Let me open the box. So, I don't know if everyone's seen this, because sometimes, if you go in the boutique, you obviously don't see this. They don't pack it like this. But here's the Louis Vuitton box that it comes in. I believe there's two things in here. So that's the receipt. It's funny how sometimes you get the half ones and then sometimes the full. Anyway, I'll put that away. And then it's packaged like this. So let me pull this out and hold it. Oh, there's something else in there. But let's pull them all out so I don't have to keep holding this box. So packaging looks like this. Let me put this box down. What is that? No, there's not something else. Oh, I thought there was two items. Okay, so here's the box. I'm not going to keep this box, but I just want to show you what it looked like. Let me put that down. So, interestingly, they've sent a bag. I'm not really sure why they do this and if it's really green, as in good for our trees to be, you know, it's just a bag. Why do I need that bag? I mean, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but I sort of have them everywhere. So, gee, what is that? First world problems? I will stop talking. So, okay, the bag. The box. So, again, this is going to be an opening because I have ordered more than this. So I showed you the other day, please check it out, that I've ordered the Christmas collection, Louis Vuitton Christmas collection 2022, and I got the card holder. So let's see which one this is because I've got a few pieces coming. Okay, so again, the blue ribbon, if you watch my videos, please do. I don't really love the blue. Blue's not my colour, even though I like the ocean. Ribbon, put that down there. Slider. I have a feeling I know what this one is. Let's open it. I'll keep this box. I keep all my boxes. Just put that down on the floor. I know what it is. I know what it is. Okay, sorry. I'm just too excited. I love the Christmas items more than anything. So, can you guess what it is? What do you think? Yes. Boom. This is a true unboxing. The Mini Pochette! I'm just going to put the dust bag down and I'm going to have a look. Oh, I love it. Okay, so this is, I'll put all of the information in more detail in the description. So please look for that because I was so excited about opening it. I haven't got my phone even on me to go. This is all the bits. But this is I do know some. This is the Mini Pochette, and I'll show you a close-up. It's the Paris. It's Vivienne in Paris. I went there, and I bought. I don't know if you can see that bag up there, but that's my Paris bag. It's got the gold hardware. I've got one of these from last year, which I will go and grab. Actually, it should be in here. It's got the pink, I think pink pelerine, and it is made in Paris. I'm sorry, it's my crazy personality today, but I absolutely use these mini pochettes and I love this Christmas print. So let me open it. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's got the pink lining. Oh, it's got, you know, the little cards. Let me get my face out of the view. Okay. While I'm this close to the camera, this is the back. This is the interior. It's the little gold hardware. And most of all, I'll show you the 360. Actually can fit quite a lot in these. And I do use them. Yes, I don't just collect these because they're Christmas and because they're pink. I actually use them. So as you can see, it's painted. It's so nice. I'm assuming paint, but it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I so enjoyed my time at the Paris Louis Vuitton when I was in Europe. I'm hoping I am out of this shot so you can see this perfectly. So that's Vivienne on her bike with, oh, what's his name? I'll put all the names in. Stop moving and let it get it. Do another 360. I love it. Now just hold on and I'll go and get my one from last year. Alright guys, so as I said, let that zoom in. This is the one from last year, the one that I got. And it's got the similar pink. And I have used, so I have sugar in there. I have used this so much and probably abused it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to step out so it gets, however, oh, I'll just step back a little bit. How perfect are they? Last year I also got the matching, what do you call this? Pouch, the money pouch. What is it? I've never used it, not one time. I've hung it on my wall for decoration, which is ridiculous. Anyway, how good is this? So, last year, this year. Let me put last year's down for a minute. As I said, I've used it so much. I have this lovely lady essay in Collins Street, Melbourne. Bonnie, and she's amazing. Anyway, she said you can put the chain like this and then you can just put it on your wrist. And so I do that a lot. I do that all the time. Or I just pop everything in these and then I take them out. I pop everything in this. So I do two things. I've got the, you know, the long chain, the long Louis chain it actually is from the Felici. And I just wear this. I do them up here and I wear these. As just a little bag when I'm going out just to the shops or whatever. So I honestly, I use this more than any handbag. Like this, and put it over my wrist. Hence why I wanted the card holder, which is also, and I watched the video, but I got this the other night, 2022 Christmas collection as well. And how perfect is this? And when that's full of cards, I pop that in there, and I've still got lots of room. So I have the foldable Galaxy phone and they fit perfectly in here. Take a step back, let me show you. And I still have room for my keys and a lipstick. And so I've got my cards, I've got my phone, I've got a lipstick, and then I just either go like this or put the long strap and wear it as a crossbody here. I mean, I love them. Or I put it like that into my handbag. Especially my work handbag, so then if I'm just going to lunch, if I'm actually in an office, I just take this bit with me rather than my big work handbag. So, just to recap, and I'm sorry, close-up Newfie. So far I have some more, so I'll do another Christmas 2022 video, part 3. This is part 2. Here are my two pieces. My head out the way. Just for information, here is last year. So this is last year. That pink, I'll put them, is a little different. Let me get my face out of the way. Okay, so face out. I don't know if you can see. Let that clear up a bit. There we go. How different. Those pinks are just slightly different. So this is this year, 2022. That's 2021. I think this one's just a slightly darker pink, or maybe that's worn away. Darker. It is absolutely darker. It's so similar, but this 2021, it was a lighter pink. 2022, it is a little bit darker. Okay guys, so I'm going to finish up there. I've showed you what fits in it, how I use it. When I get all the pieces together, yes, I've got something else coming that I'm super excited about. I will put up those videos straight away and share with you. And then I'll do one of all of them together and I'll compare them to last year and just show you a few things about how I use them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I've given you enough close-ups. Love it. And again, look for the description in the in where I put the comments so that you can get all the information. And of course, the code number. You can always look it up on Louis Vuitton. Guys, thanks again for watching. Look out for part 3. Bye.